In this tutorial, we'll explore how to use academic search inside NotebookLM with NotebookOS, and how to find legal full text for an academic article, then add it to your NotebookLM sources with one click. First, open any notebook in NotebookLM. Once NotebookOS is installed, you'll see an additional option near the source area called Academic Research. Click Academic Research to open the search panel. This lets you search scholarly papers directly inside the notebook you're already working in, without switching to a separate research database or opening a dozen new tabs. Here's an important tip: search with keywords, not plain language questions. Academic search uses scholarly sources like Semantic Scholar and OpenAlex, so it works best when your query looks like an academic database query. After you enter your keywords, NotebookOS searches across academic databases and shows paper results inside NotebookLM. Each result includes useful research signals such as the title, authors, year, abstract preview, citation count, and open access status when available. You can filter the results by field, year range, sort order, and open access availability. When you find a paper you want to use, select it and click Add Selected to NotebookLM. If you're browsing the web and come across a specific academic article, you can also use the NotebookOS side panel to find the full text for you. NotebookOS will automatically recognize the DOI, title, and other page signals. If it finds a legal full text source, you'll see one or more options, such as an open access PDF, publisher open access page, repository copy, preprint, or other accessible full text location. Choose the source you want, then click it. NotebookOS sends that full text source directly into your selected NotebookLM notebook. In one click, the article becomes part of your NotebookLM source set, ready for summaries, questions, comparisons, notes, concept maps, and studio outputs. So the workflow is simple. Use academic search to discover papers, and use Find Full Text when you come across a specific article. NotebookOS helps you bring high-quality academic sources into NotebookLM without breaking your research flow.